What's up guys, and welcome back to our channel. In today's video I'm gonna teach you how to change language on imdb.com, so make sure to stay until the end of the video. But before we move on, it would mean so much if you subscribe to our channel and hit that notification bell on so you stay alerted whenever we post another awesome video. So guys, how to change language on IMDb. So let's say you're not quite fond with English and you want to change it to something more to something better for your suits. So how to do it? Well, basically you need to navigate to the upper right corner of your screen next to your profile options, where it, as you can see, says EN or English. When you click on it, it will be a drop down menu, and we are having a lot of options. We are having some of the options, as you can see. Wait a second. We are having Canada, France. We are having France, we are having German. I honestly don't know what this language is. I'm so sorry. Then we are having Italian, Portuguese, or Brazilian. We are having Espanol, which is Spanish from Spain, and Spanish from Mexico. So you just press on it and the entirety of the language will be changed, as you can see. And you can easily do it once more just by pressing on the language that you want to use now. So guys, overall, that's the entirety of the process when you're changing language on IMDb. So hopefully this video was helpful to you, and as I already told you in the beginning of the video, it would mean so much if you subscribe to our channel and hit that notification bell on. So guys, as always, thank you so much for watching, and see you in our future videos. Goodbye.